Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm on my way to Cartier and VCA. I wanted to check out a few items and I wanted to take you with me. The first stop is VCA Van Cleef and Arpels. I've been eyeing quite a few items, especially these two bracelets. I tried on the one in white gold with diamonds and I filmed it in my previous vlog, which I will link down below. It's so beautiful. I also love these rings, they are gorgeous. But since I have quite a few items in white gold, I wanted to focus on yellow gold, and I love white mother of pearl. It's so stunning. And I saw these beautiful earrings, they are gorgeous too. I'm so gonna try them, they are stunning, and the ring as well, really beautiful. And actually that bracelet could look good together, all of them. So I took a few things. I took this ring, which is beautiful. It's so beautiful, so sparkly. It's just white gold, no diamonds, but it's just amazing. So simple and yet so gorgeous. I had to take those earrings with onyx. They are gorgeous and they are in a vintage size. Actually, I was told that the mother of pearl in white color doesn't look so good on me because of my hair color, so I'm wondering if the black one will look better. I also spotted these ones. They are so stunning in white gold with diamonds. They are so sparkly. I love these ones. They are not very heavy. I'm gonna try them on and show you. Just gonna put them on. So beautiful. I like the way they look. I do know that I have a lot of them in white gold, but I love them. So stunning. And I like the way they are reflecting the light. Just look at that. So these are the earrings that I actually came to try. They are in a size magic. I love them. And I'm also gonna show you how they look. So beautiful. The boutique only has one pair, and actually I checked 3 boutiques in Singapore and only one had them, and I'm at the one at Ion. So I'm happy I was able to get them. And by the way, there was a lady in front of me who was like, oh, can I try on these earrings? And I was just like sitting and thinking, please don't buy them, I really want them. So that's how they look. And I had to try on that bracelet with onyx. It's stunning. I love the way it looks with my love bracelet, really beautiful. And I bought the bracelet like that with white mother of pearl. If you haven't watched my other VCA shopping vlog and unboxing video, I will link it down below so you can check it out. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. By the way guys, I purchased something and I will reveal it later, so please stay tuned. And now I'm at Cartier. I'm gonna try on the love bracelet in a small size. How cute is that? So beautiful. I love the way it looks with my love bracelet in a standard size. Really gorgeous. I guess another item has just been added to my wish list. I really like it. It's quite comfortable too. What do you guys think? Do you like the look of both of them together? So my original bracelet is in a size 16. All the love bracelets have to be in the same size, but just on clue should be smaller. By the way, I have another Cartier vlog, actually couple of them, and I will link them down below for you to check it out. And what do you think about this combination with the yellow gold and white gold with diamonds? I think it's quite cute. The white gold bracelet with diamonds is a lot more shinier than the bracelet without the diamonds. Really cute look and very comfortable, and you can easily remove the small bracelet. It's not difficult to put it on and take it off. And I wanted to try on this ring. It's really beautiful. It's so shiny. Which size do you like? This one is a thinner version and this one is the original. Okay, this size is a bit too big for me, but I just wanted to try it on. I don't want to ask my SA to go all the way to the storage room and get my size. It's okay, just want to show you quickly how it looks. I love how all of them look together, really beautiful. Do you like Cartier rings? I really like them, and I wanted to stack 2 rings. Of course I have to have my size, but you kind of get the idea. Maybe it would look better with the white gold as well, yellow gold and white gold, just like here. I think I prefer this look, really beautiful. By the way guys, my SA has used some kind of fabric to clean my bracelet and it looks brand new. It's scratch free now. It's amazing. I will try to find it. She just quickly wiped it. I didn't even take it off. I can't imagine if I would be like sitting and wiping it. It would just look so shiny. It's amazing. Today's the next day and I'm gonna unbox this item that I purchased. It's so stunning. It's literally been on my wish list since last year. I think I fell in love with them since November. Yeah, since November. By the way, my SA is so sweet. She gave me this travel pouch because she knows I'm traveling soon. It's so kind of her. I love it. And it's so useful. I really need it. I like the material. Anyway, let's see what else is here. And I have the, what is this? Oh yes, it's a fabric to clean the item. So useful. I'm also gonna take it with me. With VCA logo on it. Okay, next up. I think, yeah, this is a receipt. I will not open it just in case, but it's here. And the next one. And this one is their certificate of authenticity and instructions. I showed it last time in my other vlog. I won't bore you with this again. Everything is here. And I think it comes with every VCA product because I'm getting it again. And finally the box. I love how nicely it's packed like a gift. A gift to myself from myself. Really beautiful. I think VCA is becoming my most favorite brand of jewelry right now. I even love it more than Cartier, and trust me, I love Cartier so much. And I feel like VCA is more feminine and it's also so timeless. And here are my earrings, finally, so beautiful. Did you guess that I got these ones? Or did you think I got the one with onyx? Or the white gold ones? It's quite big in comparison with the vintage size, but they are not very heavy. I know that they look quite heavy, but actually they are okay. I don't have problem wearing them. And this section is indicating on which ear you're supposed to put it on. So this one's supposed to go on my left side. So beautiful. You see closer comparison in size. I love magic size, really stunning. So beautiful. I like the way they reflect the light. So shiny. Of course, I will want to get some other colors eventually, but I'm just gonna enjoy this ones for a while. This is it. If you like my content, please consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye!